Hey, thank you so much for joining me. Guess what? I have just had the most amazing moment of inspiration. I think that it would be such a great idea for us as a community to write a book together. I would absolutely love that. I think it's a great, inspired idea. So, I don't know what we should call the book, but maybe if we can just pop our thoughts in the comments to say what the book should be called. But it should be a book to inspire the next person to succeed. It should be a book to inspire the next generation to succeed. So it's the A to Z of success. So we give them tips from any letter beginning with an A. For example, A, for A, maybe we could say something along the lines of attitude, and we can say attitude determines altitude, and then we can speak about that. So everybody who's part of this community can actually be part of it. So whatever quote you give, your name would actually be attributed to that. So whatever you think is going to help the next person, the next woman, the next man, the next child, the next generation, let's make this the best selling book of all times because we're doing it together. So yeah, let's get started. I've already started with an A. Pop in the comments any inspirational words or any tips beginning with an A. Actually, I'll tell you what, why don't we do it both ways? So we do the inspirational things that help us to succeed beginning with an A, and we also do things that do the opposite. What is it that begins with an A that could actually be in the way of your success in life, in business, in whichever area it is? We're not going to limit it to just business. It's just succeeding in life generally. So yeah, really excited. I hope that as many of you can join as possible. So yeah, all the best. And the thing is, I am actually shooting using my phone and holding my phone because I don't even have a selfie stick. So there's nothing in the way of our success except the limitations that we put on ourselves. So whatever it is that you want to do, get started, just get it done. I am here to help you prosper generally, but I'm here specifically to help you prosper through property. God bless. Thanks.